Okay, let's make some breakfast here. We're gonna start with some butter. We got the griddle on medium heat. And we're gonna get some butter down, get it nice and melty. Alright, what we're making this morning is we're making a nice little hash brown omelet. So I got some hash browns here, so I'm going to start with a nice little bed of hash browns. Alright, get that butter mixed into those hash browns here. Alright, and we're going to get these laid out in a nice little rectangle. And let them start cooking up. Just like so. A little space in between those hash browns is going to be nice because we're going to pour some eggs on top of that here in a few minutes. So while that starts to cook, we're going to grab our onions and peppers. So we're going to throw those onions and peppers down. We're going to throw some mushrooms. And this side of the griddle is cooler. It's down on low, so this is going to take some time to cook up. And then I have some sausage and bacon to put in it this morning, and it's already pre-cooked, so all I got to do is get it nice and heated up. So I'm going to set it over here off to the side as these things start to cook up. Okay, stop it. Alright, so we got our onions and peppers heating up, and we're going to get those mixed in. And those are warming up. And then our hash browns are getting there. We're almost there. If you get in nice and close, you can see that it's starting to turn brown right there. So I think it's about time to put all this stuff together. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our scrambled eggs and we're going to pour those eggs nice and gently over the top. Let it start to set up as you pour them in. If you pour too fast, they just run all over the place. So take your time, not in a hurry for any kind of good eats, right? Good eats take time. Get it nice and covered. Right, do a little housekeeping. Get that stuff put back up in there. Alright, now it's time to add in our stuff here. So we got our peppers, onions, bacon, sausage. Just get it all laid on top there. Try to even it out so everybody gets a little bit of everything. Alright, so we got it laid out there nice and neat. Now for the mushrooms. Wife doesn't really like mushrooms, so I always keep those separate. And I'll spread those out on 1/2 of this so that she can have some without and I can have some with. Then the last thing we want to throw up on top here is some cheese. Gotta have some cheese. So what I got today is some Swiss. Hopefully it's enough cheese. Spread out our cheese a little bit. And now what we got to do is put a little bit of salt and pepper, some garlic. If you're a barbecuer, you know this stuff. So it's just some good old SPG rub. Take the dome, cover it up to melt that cheese, and it'll be ready here in a minute. Alright, it's been a couple minutes under the dome, and ooh yeah, cheese is nice and melted. So what we're going to do is we're going to cut this in half, because remember we put mushrooms on 1/2 and we didn't put mushrooms on the other half, so we got to keep this in order. So slide that spatula up underneath there, give it a nice little flip. Nice little flip. And look at those hash browns. Those hash browns are nice and golden brown. It'll make one heck of a breakfast right here. So let it squeeze together just a little bit. Like that. Give it off. Gotta get the scrumples. Those little pieces of toasted cheese are yummy. So, all right, there's just some good eats. If you like what you see here, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.